Good day everyone. My name is Ariel Licot Pilunya, students of Baiso Main Campus, BSIT Automotive Technology, Section 229. My discussion is all about the average of velocity, and this topic is found in the module number 2, which is it's the part of mechanics and heat. So let's start the discussion. Average velocity. In dealing with motion, we will not just only dwell with how far is the object from the initial position, but also how fast is the object upon taking the motion, that we should also put into consideration. So average velocity means in dealing the motion, we will not just focus or magpundo sa unsa ka layon sa object gikan sa initial position, but also ang iyang ka kusgon sa object upon taking the motion, and nasa tayo consider, which is the speed and the velocity. So we're now talking the speed. Speed is, it refers to the distance an object travel in the given time. So kung siya kanang mag-focus ni siya sa distansya sa gikan sa paghatag sa oras hantod sa pagkahuman, kalayon ang gi-travel sa object without considering the object direction during the travel. So natay mga examples dire. So mo ni atong example number 1. A jogger runs 70 meter east and 30 meter west in 70 seconds. Determine the average speed and average velocity of the jogger. So this is the formula of the average speed. We focus sa taon na sa average speed. Mo ni atong kaon karon. So mo ni siya 70 meters plus 30 meters, darhita mo ka sa 70 meters east and 30 meters west. Muna sila itong i-add atong ibutang diri sa denominator, and then the numerator is the seconds, which is this is 70 seconds. So we calculate this formula. 70 meter plus 30 meters equals 100, and then the numerator, which is we copy paste this 100 meters divide 70 seconds equals 1.4 meter per second. So mao ni ang atong average speed, and then mo proceed ta sa average velocity, which is this is the formula of the average velocity, displacement over time elapsed. So displacement means the moving of something from its place or position. So kaning displacement dani ato na silang i-minus kay makita sa nato sa compass ang 70 meter west, 70 meter east rather. Ang east is, which is the positive side, and the west is the negative side. So the sign is different. So we subtract the 70 meters subtract by 30 meters, so the answer is equals 40 meter, and then the numerator is copy paste. So 40 meters divide 70 seconds equals 0.57 meter per second. So this is the average velocity. So average speed, it means the total distance traveled by the object divided by the time consumed. And the velocity, average velocity, it is the ratio of the total displacement traveled by the object and the total time or elapsed time in the traveling path. Now we proceed to the example number 2. An athlete's motion varies from displacement 1 equals 50 meters to displacement 2 equals 30.5 meter in a 3.0 seconds interval. Determine the athlete's average velocity. So now we solve the given problem. We find the average velocity. This is the formula of the average velocity, and then this is the calculation. In the denominator, we copy this to the denominator, 30.5 meters. Copy paste the sign, and then 50 meters from the displacement 1, and then we proceed to the subtraction of denominator. 30.5 meter, diba ma'am? Subtract to 50 meters equals 19.5 meters. So the numerator, copy paste, and then divide by the denominator, which is 6.50 meter per second. And this is the average velocity of the given problem. And now we proceed to the last example, which is the example number 3. Find the displacement in a cyclist who travels in 2.5 hour in a road if he took 18 km per hour average velocity. So now we find again the displacement. This is the formula, the average velocity. Velocity equals displacement over time. So in this situation, we were not finding the average velocity because it's already here. So we're going now is to find the displacement. So we find the x. This is the formula that we use now. Displacement equals 18 km per hour, which is the velocity, multiplied by the 2.5 hour, which is the travel, which is the time. 18 km per hour 18 km per hour multiply by 2.5 hours equals 45 kilometer. So we cancel the hour to become kilometer. So this is the displacement in the given problem. And that's all my discussion. Once again, good day everyone. Thank you.